Hello everybody, my name is Harsh Patel and welcome to today's tutorial on cognitive services provided by Microsoft Azure. And today's topic will be Animalia, and that's a animal kingdom. So today's discussion will go through introduction, what's cognitive service, how to create one, how to train one cognitive service on Microsoft Azure, and how to test it. So let's begin without wasting any time. So cognitive services, for this chapter I've selected the Azure platform to carry on with the cognitive service that we need to perform. And for this project we will be using one of the APIs, that is Vision, out of the 5 APIs used in cognitive service. Since Vision is used for image processing, since it's a image processing algorithm that smartly identifies captions and moderates our pictures for us. So first of all, what's Animalia? Animalia, it's a kingdom, a biological kingdom where all living organisms are categorized into their specific classes according to biology. And why did I select Animalia? It's just because I like Animalia Kingdom, since everyone belongs to it, and we have daily activities around Animalia Kingdom as well. So first of all, I had to create or select models, and I just selected 5 models to create. That will be arthropods, reptiles, insects, birds, and dinosaurs. So here's a successful created models for us. Then we'll train the models and start performing some tests to check the models basics, that will be precision, recall, and the AP, which is performance. As well as we'll give it a wrong image to see if or whether or not our test is successful or not. So without wasting time, let's go to the live demo now. Let us start by creating a new project. First of all, enter a name that will be Animalia, for example. We'll be using our free trial version. After that, we'll just quickly create our class, our models here. After quickly creating our models, we'll add the image so that we can have a data set. So we'll upload all the images according to its own model quickly, then we'll move to the next step. Moving on to our next step, after uploading all our images to each proper categories, we'll move on to training our model, that is Animalia project. I'll go with quick training for now, and I'm gonna pause this video here for some time, since this phase takes quite a lot of time, so hang on a bit, guys. There we are, our model has been successfully trained, and now it's the time to test the model and check its performance. So here I have an image, and I'll just quickly copy the URL of the image and paste it here to test whether or not it will identify this as dinosaur. There we go. It identified it as a dinosaur at 47%, and it's a reptile, that of which it's true. And we can have a second example as well. Let's take a gun, for example. We'll copy the same link for the new image, replace it, and buffer it through. Now, why does it show us that this is a reptile and a dinosaur at the same time? That means this model has an issue, or it's trying to imitate something. For example, it's bringing an error, possibly because of the color, the shape, the bits. When it comes to programming, this image is broken down into bits, and that's how computers basically work, with numbers, that's zeros and ones, which are called bits. So it might have a similar bit to one of the images, that's why it's trying to lead us towards reptiles and dinosaur. Or maybe it can be the shape, or even it might be the color of the image that it's trying to refer to. And the fourth reason can be clustering. And when it comes to clustering, that is for the AI, on how it has been scripted up by Microsoft, and that might also be a factor, since we do not know how these clusters have been designed by Microsoft's team. We cannot say for sure, but so far I have four possibilities on how or why this might be affecting or misleading us. So far, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.